Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Wind Kiss the Moon, chapter 33. So here it is. Let's read the story. Now, Shang Yi said to her, drink some water so you don't get dehydrated. So, she's been worried about her. Well, definitely Shang Yi is being sweet to her. If you don't talk for a while, you'll suffocate yourself. Shoo, your voice is so harsh. Stop scolding, Shang Yi said to her. When we went there were just an ordinary friends, but now we were lying on the same bed. Seems that the line of ordinary friends and girlfriends is indeed very clear. Shang Yi, aren't you curious about why I like you? Wan Ting is asking her. Well, definitely, she really got fall in love with her. You want to use my traffic? Serious. Now, it really makes sense. Shang Yi, she's going to get vanished. Now, it was Wan Ting who's tricking her this time. I love your unbiased ambition. Whether it's an ambition to be dazzling, to create momentum, or become a hot topic. When we look at me, he couldn't hide it anymore, and he was determined to get it. Oh, it turns out she's saying Shang Yi, being an aggressive person. Also, I like your leopard like vitality. Sometimes I also like your poor acting skills. Oh, she is really teasing her. Just now, I felt very comfortable, so there's no more place I like. It should be fun to fall in love with you. One thing, what a good confession. Don't want to be fashion designer anymore. Why not switch to being screenwriter? Saying a sweet word sweetly. Shang Yi told her, is there anything more interesting? Do you want to try it again? Shang Yi is asking Wan Ting. Well, the two of them are blushing. Well, it turns out the door, it was still open. Well, the two suddenly stopped. What could be wrong? Now, it really makes sense. Wan Ting, does it look like we're caught in the bed together? How come you still have to talk nonsense at this time? Wan Ting said to hers. Now, she was looking at Wan Ting. Only one who knows my password to the front door is Duapao. Now, there's... Oh, definitely. She's really getting tricky, and she was really teasing her. Now, she's been loud. Duapao, I'm at home. Don't come in. Shang Yi said to Duapao. Duapao, suddenly she got fuss. Well, she was going to see her. Now, she was paused on the side. Well, Duapao, she seems to be puzzled and don't know what's happening. That's why she looks really curious. And also, Shang Yi in Wan Ting was going outside. Ahem, Duapao. What a coincidence. Ha ha. Wan Ting was laughing. Well, definitely, she was really poor on acting. A little thirsty. I'll go get some water. What's going on here? A one night? Oh, it's a broad daylight. Friends with benefits? Duapao said to Shang Yi. Shang Yi said to her, what did you take me for? Well, of course, it was a little bit on the foul side, but it really makes sense. Now, she looks really in love. A serious, earnest relationship chasing for a long time. Shang Yi said to Duapao. Well, it really makes sense, right? What other should I do if my friends find out that I'm cooking at home with my current boyfriend for the first time? Whatever you cook. Now, whatever you cook, let's eat together. Suppose it's not for you. Well, this is really a cute small sweater. Hey guys, thanks for supporting. Thanks for joining membership today. And unlike Frog, thank you. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.